food. These are the contents we are going to see. Let me start up with the introduction. What is food adulteration? Food adulteration is commonly defined as addition or subtraction of any substance to food or from food so that the natural composition of food is affected. These are the types of food adulteration. They are intentional adulteration, incidental adulteration and metallic adulterations. Intentional adulteration. Intentional adulteration are commonly commercial, mainly with the intention of enhancement of profit. Let me take milk as the example. In milk, neutralizers like hydrated like sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate and sodium hydroxides are added, which are generally being prohibited. Incidental adulteration. The adulteration is done unknowingly. The deliberate addition of inferior material to foods and to heighten appearance and the quality of food to gain great profits. Example, pests such as foods and rodents are introduced into the food at high degree and raises the quality of food to gain great profits. Metallic adulteration. Metallic contaminants of any metals as such amount is dangerous and judicial to health which are contained in foods and added to it. So that the examples can be taken are lead, arsenic and cadmium. The addition of lead, arsenic and cadmium to a food material can cause impaired brain development and lower IQ in children, cardiovasculars and cancers and etc. And the upcoming slides will be explained by A.Jayadurga Devi from 1st B.Sc Chemistry.
Hello everyone, I am A.Jayadurga Devi from 1st B.Sc Chemistry, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Some commonly adulterated food products in the market are turmeric and green chilies. In turmeric, metallic yellow is added, which is generally not permitted, but it is also used as a major adulterated product to get the artificial color. And coming to green chilies is added with malachite green. Malachite green is a triphenyl methane which belongs to the azo compound, and that leads to the liver tumor in human body. So moving on to the next slide, it is a pie chart of some commonly adulterated food products and how often in week we are consuming the fast food. And moving on to the next slide, here comes a major role. How do we file a complaint against food adulteration? We have to come forward to change our nation into a healthy one. We have to go to the consumer court or the food commissioner of the respected state. The next slide, reasons for food adulteration. The main motto of food adulteration is to gain more profit. To increase the weight, adulterant is added. As we had seen earlier that in milk, water is added. By the addition of water, the milk nutritional quality is lowered. To cut down the product cost to meet the market competition. If we cut down the product cost, then automatically the product will be in demand in the market. So the product competition will increase in the market. And switching on to the next slide, who report on food adulteration? Nearly 28% of the food samples which were tested have found to be adulterated. And FSSAI, which is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, had ensured 263 food testing labs in our country. And moving on to the next slide, conclusion. Say no to adulteration. I conclude that we have to give our voice against the food adulteration by the means of checking the ISI marks, standard Atmark marks, and we have to check the FSSAI approved products. So make sure that next time while you are going to the market for buying any product like packed product, especially packed product, we have to check the FSSAI approved mark and we have to confirm that it is a survivable one.
Once we used to say one should be as pure as milk, but nowadays milk got the adulteration too. Good food should be a right, not a privilege, and everyone should follow this. I would like to thank everyone for listening to this topic, and I hope it is very much informative and useful to you all. Thank you.